Welcome to Instagram for Real Estate. Today we're going to be going over the best kinds of content to post. If you're looking for the best content to post, maybe ideas, inspiration, stuff like that, I'm going to link my video up here that goes over all of those things. That's going to be a great one to start with. Once you have your ideas though, you're going to need to know which kind of content to upload. So on Instagram, there are 4 main types of content, and today I'm going to break them down for you so you can know exactly what to post and how to post. Now, the first kind of content is going to be your most basic one. This is just a post. It's called a post on Instagram, and that's what it does. It just posts it to your grid. So this is good for photos of houses. You can make it a little more detailed and do a carousel post, which means you're uploading multiple photos into that post. If you want to get super fancy, you can edit it in Canva. I have a video up there about Canva. You can edit it and say things like swipe to see more or whatever. Or if you have a listing or an open house, you can just do photos of that. You don't need to get fancy. And the Instagram platform will show that there are multiple photos that they can scroll through. These are good for your foundation. I actually do most of my content as posts, even though Instagram recently announced that they are now primarily a video sharing app. Although it's been a couple weeks, maybe a month since they announced that, and I have not seen too much of a change in terms of my analytics. So I would say that's still the bread and butter of Instagram, posting photos. You can, like I said, get fancy with Canva, doing testimonials, doing inspirational quotes, whatever, photos of you around your town, and of course, photos of houses. The second kind of content is going to be your story posts. These are special because they only last for 24 hours. So you can get a little bit more casual with them. You can be a little bit more personal. You don't have to have your, official brand look on them. You should, of course, always be professional, but because you have that disappearing aspect, I like to think of that as your group chat with all of your followers. The point of social media is to build a relationship with your followers so they like you and trust you and know you, and then of course want to work with you. So using your stories can be more playful, more fun. I have a video up here about details for ideas of the kinds of story posts that I use, that you could use, that are really beneficial. I've seen in my experience, there are fun things. You can do polls so you get people engaged in them. You can do slide stickers so you can say, what do you think of this house? And they can kind of do it on a scale of how much they like it. So this is where I really like to build that relationship, get that engagement going, get to know my audience as well, because I always want to tailor my content to the kinds of people that I'm talking to. I want it to resonate with them as much as possible to, again, boost that know, like, and trust aspect that I'm building. So stories are posts that I like to do anywhere from 6 to 20, maybe even more, in any 24-hour period. So it can kind of be an adjustment to start thinking of your life in terms of stories. But for example, right before I shot this video, I took a picture of my studio and said, YouTube filming day, do you batch your content? Yes, no. So again, it's showing pieces of my life, kind of the behind the scenes, helps people see what I'm really like, whereas the posts are more just kind of like the highlight reel, as people often refer to social media as. So the advanced level of stories is story highlights. At the bottom, you can choose bubbles, different categories of your stories to kind of bunch together in the library, and those are permanent on your profile, so they don't disappear after 24 hours. You can link in the old story posts. So I have story posts about different categories of my business, and that way, if someone comes to my profile, they can click through what I think are the highlights. Now, the third kind of content is my new favorite. It is the reel. I have a video up here going more into detail about that, but like I just said, Instagram recently announced that it is primarily a video sharing app, so TikTok is taking over the industry. Their numbers are skyrocketing. They are, competing now with platforms like YouTube and of course platforms like Instagram. So Instagram made Reels to match that competition, and so they are really pushing that content. So if you post a reel, it will get way more eyes on it than your post, or especially your story, because your stories only go out to your current followers. So I like to think about reels as a way to get in front of new eyes. So of course, the first part when you're thinking about reels is something that is visually appealing. So I'll do sometimes, short minute-long video tutorials about marketing, about real estate, about, stuff like that. I also like to do home tours. Real estate is very visually appealing, so those usually perform super well. And then I like to, at the end, have a call to action, which is follow me for more. Because like I said, Reels will get in front of a lot of new eyes, and it's cool if you get 2,000 or 10,000 views on your Reels, but it doesn't really matter that much because, again, the main point of social media is to build relationships with people, and if they see your 30-second video one time, they're not gonna hire you as a real estate agent. Makes sense? So you want to bring them into your page, so have a call to action. Follow for more home tours, follow for more real estate advice, follow for more whatever, and then that brings them to their page where they're gonna see your posts, they're gonna see your stories, they're gonna see your other Reels because those still show up on the main screen of Instagram. If you follow people, it shows up on that main page as well. So bringing them to your personal page to get more followers feeds it all in. And then the fourth one is going to be your live videos. So that is anything where you are live, as it says. That can be a home tour. A lot of the things that are good for Reels are good for lives as well, but the benefit is that you can engage with your viewers, which again builds like, trust, and knowing. Are you seeing a theme here? Because that's what you want to use social media for. So just yesterday I was going live about finding your why and how to have a mindset about doing hard things even when you don't want to. People were liking it and commenting, and we said, what questions do you have? And then we were answering them live. So again, Instagram is a business. Their main objective is to have more people on their platform. So they really like lives because that keeps people watching them. Our live yesterday was about 20 minutes, I think, maybe even more. And some people were sitting through the whole thing watching that. Instagram loved that because then their numbers are up, they can get more ads, etc., etc. I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole, but things that keep the users of Instagram on Instagram is going to like. So they really like lives. So a video of a home tour, a video of a day in the life, a video like this, just sitting and talking, a video like I did yesterday, anything that is engaging. It doesn't have to be for 20 minutes. It can be 5 minutes, just getting to know your audience and having them get to know you. Because what is the main goal of social media? Yes. Exactly. If you say no, like, and trust, then you are correct. So those are the 4 main types of content. The 5th kind, I'm going to say something controversial here and say IGTV, which is the 5th kind, not my favorite. It's basically videos like this, but I much prefer YouTube. So you let me know in the comments, do you like YouTube? Do you spend most of your time on Instagram, or do you like Facebook, maybe LinkedIn? What's your favorite social media platform, and what other videos can I do to help you? If you're new to marketing for real estate agents, or you're just looking to extend your knowledge about marketing for real estate agents, I'm going to link another playlist up here with all of my best marketing videos. I used to run my own marketing agency before I got my license. It is my favorite thing to talk about. Now I spend all of my time helping agents like you scale their business, get more clients, and get more time and financial freedom. So if that's interesting to you, please smash that subscribe button. I post new videos every single week, and if you've seen more than one of my videos, that is the universe's way of telling you that it's time for you to subscribe. So, like I said, let me know in the comments below, and let me know what your Instagram handle is. I would love to support you, cheer you on, see what kind of posts, stories, reels, all of the things that you are posting, because I want to cheer you on. I want to support you. And like I said at the beginning, if you are looking for ideas, now that you know the best kinds of content to post Instagram for real estate, I'm going to link my video here. This has my 6 or 7 favorite ideas for real estate content on Instagram. It has helped me grow my business a ton, and I know it will help you do the same. So see you in there. Hope you're having an amazing day and continue to have the best day yet. See you next time.